In this video, we're going to review the eDrawings markup functionality as it relates to SOLIDWORKS PDM. Logged in as Manager Mark, we receive a PDM notification that a document requires our attention. The notification informs us that designer Dave has transitioned files to waiting for approval and that those files are ready to review for release. Navigating to the dataset, PDM allows us to review the documents directly within the PDM environment through the fully integrated version of eDrawings. However, you may have noticed that the markup icon is grayed out. In order to access markup functionality, we'll have to open this document inside of eDrawings. This can quickly and easily be done from PDM by simply selecting View File. As you can see, eDrawings launches almost instantly and provides that access to our markup utilities. Now, you might be wondering, well, why can't I just add the markups from the PDM preview window? Well, the answer is this right here. In order to save our markup, we're going to have to do so from the eDrawings application. With our newly created eDrawings file successfully saved to the PDM vault, we can now go ahead and transition any relevant files back to the appropriate state. In this case, we're only looking for changes to be implemented on the top level drawing. After toggling selections accordingly, we'll add some relevant information to pass along to the designer before transitioning back for editing. A quick flip of the script over to designer Dave, we can look at the inverse side of the design process. Another PDM notification, this time from Manager Mark to designer Dave, keeps the process on track and notifies us that there are changes to be made. Without hesitation, this diligent designer gets to work right away while making the most of the tools at hand by inserting the eDrawings markup file directly into their SOLIDWORKS drawing. Not only does this provide an effective means of reviewing the requested changes directly on your document, it also provides a record of the actual markup as it can remain hidden inside of the SOLIDWORKS drawing for future reference. Fast forward to the end of the editing process, designer Dave will transition the affected file back to Manager Mark for hopefully one last review. Switching hats one more time, we'll close out the point of today's video, which is understanding the markup functionality within the eDrawings PDM preview window. Unlike before, the markup icon is no longer grayed out and instead lit up with a green exclamation point, indicating that a markup is present on this file. Additionally, we can see the actual markup reflected in the preview.